Take a look at this 2007 Holden Commodore. This is the vehicle you've been looking for. Get more performance with this powerful engine
that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, stability control, power mirrors, power windows, a CD stacker.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.